Hey YouTube, it's John and welcome back to FriedCircuit. I've got another video for you guys today. In this series I'm going to start calling What's in the Bag. Today we're going to unbox the contents of this bag. And if you saw me tease it on the website just a few days ago, here it is. Let's go ahead and get started before I kind of go in there and explain what I got and why I got it. So. Of course, you already know what it is, right? Because it's going to be in the video, the title of the video. So it's like, okay, well, so what's in the bag? So I'm unveiling what's in the bag. Today we have the gold iPhone 12 Pro. The box is very slim compared to other iPhone boxes. And also, I've gotten the iPhone 12 Pro clear case with the MagSafe adapter, as well as a MagSafe charging cable. So I'll put the bag aside for now and move the controller over there real quick. This is the 128 gig model. My iPhone 10 was a 256, and it was pretty. It was getting full, but it was nothing but photos and videos that I took with it. So I'm probably going to settle for the 128 and just offload my videos more often, because I don't think I ever offloaded any videos off that phone ever since I've had it for the past 3 years. So again, without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. So we're just going to peel that back. Another thing, I haven't seen anyone unbox the gold yet, so let's see what all this is about. And here we go. That is really pretty. It's really solid, and I'm going to smudge that shiny gold reflective material off. That is absolutely beautiful looking. We'll just pop that off. Another thing, the iPhone 12, it's got 5G networking, so that is something else I'm also looking forward to. We'll set that there, and what else is in the box? Well, Apple decided they're going to help with the environment, reduce their packaging, and reduce the number of charging cables that they release out into the wild. So we get a USB-C charging cable to Lightning, as well as your typical documentation and a white Apple sticker. Very small, just a kind of a warranty card, and your SIM ejection tool. So that is what we have for the iPhone. And let's go ahead and open into this. Let's go ahead and grab the case actually. Peel this back. And one thing I did not get, that is, if I get a case on a phone, I'm likely not to get Apple Care. But there are some new things about Apple Care that are kind of pretty intriguing, including the theft prevention and the warranty repairs. So, like, if you do accidentally drop it and break it, they're more likely to give you something for it, considering you're paying an extra couple $100 for it. So there's the iPhone 12 Pro in the clear case, and finally that's an iPhone case that really accentuates I guess you'd say, the beauty of the color of that stainless steel. This is the nicest looking iPhone. Wow, that's really pretty. And I'm going to pull out this little mag loop charger. see what we get in here. Got a pretty, looks like it's a pretty nice size, substantially sized cable. Fold it. That is a big ring. Again, it's USB-C. Plug that into your USB-C or Thunderbolt. I think it's Thunderbolt 3 equipped computer. No, it's not Thunderbolt at all. I stand corrected. Maybe I'll edit it out, maybe not. And here's the cable. And that just slides and pops right on there. Pretty cool. Neat. Haven't even turned it on yet, so not sure if I'm going to need the SIM ejection. We'll compare it with the iPhone 10. They're about the same size. I think the 12 Pro is just a hair bit bigger outside of the case, but yeah, looks pretty good. I'll be sure to show you the videos that I take with it, and I'm sure I'll be using it in quite a bit of my content moving forward. And thanks for watching the unboxing. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel. That helps the numbers. And check out my website at www.FriedCircuit.com. Again, this is John, and for all you ham radio operators out there, this is W4ALQ going 7-3. Thanks for watching the channel, and have a great day.